Okay, so my last video, I showed how I carved this thing out, and I kind of showed it a picture of it right after I poured the epoxy. The epoxy had quite a bit of bubbles in it, and I had seen on YouTube that you could use alcohol spritz, just sprayed on it, and it would help remove the bubbles. Because when I was using my heat gun, it was kind of blowing the epoxy around a little bit more than I wanted it to. And in the picture on the last video, all the colors were exactly where they were supposed to be. But when I sprayed it with the alcohol, after an hour or so, some of the colors kind of bled. You could see there a little bit. My hope is that taking off maybe a 32nd or a 16th off the top will get rid of that. But we're going to find out. We're going to use this bit here, 22 millimeter surfacing bit. And then I'm going to do a profile cut, just an 1/8 inch down cut bit, kind of mimicking the shape of the face. So let's see how it comes out. Okay, well, my theory was correct. I went down total of 5/100ths of an inch in 2 passes, and all of that bleeding seems to be gone now. I think once I sand it down and put some Odie's oil on it, it'll be good to go. There's the 1/8 inch down cut bit I'm going to use. Got a 5-pack off of Amazon for, I think, $18. Seems to be a pretty good bit. This one I need to be a little bit more precise than the last one, so I'm going to go ahead and use the touch plate just so I get my X and Y correct. All right, time to get it sanded. I think I'm pretty happy with how that came out. Some of those bubbles are still visible. I don't know if you can see them on the video there. Yeah, you can see them. I don't know if that's because I just went too fast on one grit, maybe, or a couple grits, or if there was just a lot of little air pockets. But this was the first pour and carve I did like this. So overall, I'm pretty happy. The next one will be better. Thanks for watching.